What's up, y'all? So today I'm doing something new. I am dropping a hair tutorial how I do this quick little crochet ponytail, so stay tuned. Alright, so first I'm just making a part on each side. Okay, yes, this is the other side. So I just want to braid right down the middle, so I'm making the parts for those, combing it out, making sure all your tangles and everything are out, and just clipping it down to keep it out your way. But as you can see, I didn't accomplish that at first, but we got there. Alright, so now I'm using this Got To Be and my trusty old toothbrush. This is my edges toothbrush. I'm just using this just to lay that piece down right there in the front so it can be flat. Go ahead and braid your braid. It doesn't have to be perfect. It is what it is. Mine is not perfect. It worked for me. And this part right here is optional. You don't have to do this, but I love a good sideburn and my edges done. Okay, so right now I'm just taking the amount that I want. I'm using this edge control just to lay it down. I'm really not shaping it how I want, just to lay it down. And I'm using a little bit of Got To Be to put it on my hair, just to keep those flyaways and everything down. It's optional for you to use more than that. I know a lot of people like to pile it on, but this was not going to be a long-term hairstyle, so I wasn't about to do all that. So just use a little bit. Alright, so this is the fun part, your edges. And I do my edges weird. I don't just do one part. Like I will do a piece and then I'll do another piece and go back to the first one. Like I have to keep rotating and going back because I mean that's just how I like to do them. I don't know. I can't explain, so just keep watching. I mean, who really don't like a good baby hair pattern and just your edges done? Like, I just love it. My mama taught me how to do my edges when I was young. Like, I was in 6th grade with a toothbrush in the bathroom doing my edges. I was not playing. Even my daughter, she always be like, "Mommy, you gonna do my edges?" Like, she knows. So just go ahead and braid down your ponytail. Wrap it tight in a little ball, and just get your hairpin and just tuck it under there. Alright, so I used 2 different hair textures. I didn't get the name of the brands or the type of curl, but as you can see, one is wavy, more wavy, like a body wave. Well, not body wave, but like a water wave, whatever. And then the other one is like a tighter curl. I wanted, like, as you can see, like I wanted 2 different textures, but I think next time I'm gonna just stick to one texture and not the 2 because it just didn't come out how I expected it to. I mean, it was still cute, don't get me wrong, it was cute, but yeah, I'm gonna just use one curl pattern the next time. And this right here, I'm showing you how I made my ponytail. It's kind of self-explanatory, so just keep watching.
Stop, drop the beat.
So once you go ahead and tighten that ponytail up enough, go ahead and just attach it to your little donut ball in the back. Now this was a new scrunchie, so I didn't have to double wrap it. So yeah, it was still on there pretty tight. Like I said, because it was a new scrunchie, I did not have to double wrap it, but in some cases you may have to double wrap it just to make sure that that ponytail is secure. So right here, I like to go ahead and take a good bit of hair and just wrap it around that ponytail. To me, it gives it a more natural look. I love the way it looks. So If you want to do this, you can. If you don't, still do it, sis, because this is the way to go. Okay, so from this point, I like to just go ahead and loosen up some of those curls, so they don't look so uniform, just to give a more natural look and just a little frizz. So I found these local hair accessories in my local beauty supply. They look like key rings, so that's kind of what I call them. You know, self-explanatory. Everybody know what a key ring is. Just attach it to the braid and add as many as you like. So when I was done, I realized the key rings weren't laying down flat how I wanted them to. So what I did was just took some needle and thread and started from the front and just looped it through the back. And they laid down to the back. So yeah, just another tip for you all. So thank y'all for watching my first hair tutorial. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up and tell me what you all think about this hairstyle. Bye.